Tonight, we're making rigatoni meatball casserole. As always, the recipe will be in the description. First, we've got to make the meatballs. So in a bowl, you're going to put your ground beef, breadcrumbs, grated Parmesan cheese, 1 egg, your minced garlic, Italian seasoning, salt, and pepper, and then we're going to mix that all together. I start with a spatula and then move to my hands because it's just impossible to get it all mixed up together without really getting in there. Make sure that every ingredient is completely mixed up. Now it's time to make our meatballs. So you're going to pinch off some meat, roll it together in your hands, form a ball shape. We want these about 1 inch in diameter, and go to town. Use all of the meat and make your meatballs. Now over medium heat, we're going to add some olive oil to our pan. Make sure that the olive oil completely coats the bottom of it because you don't want your meatballs to stick. Next, you'll place your meatballs in your pan. After a few minutes, the bottom side should be brown, so you'll flip them over. The entire meatball will not be cooked through at this point, but that's okay because it's going to go back in the pan later and it will finish cooking. So you're going to take them out the pan and place them to the side for now. In the same pan, you'll pour your marinara sauce. I turned the heat down just a little bit here as well. Then I add in my chicken broth and mix it all up. Next, you're going to add the uncooked pasta and stir it in to coat the sauce on the pasta. Next, we're going to add our meatballs back into our sauce. You're going to mix this together one more time and then cover it for 15 minutes, stirring occasionally until the pasta is tender. Now we add the cheese. You're just going to coat the entire top of the casserole with cheese. Put it in the oven at 375 for about 10 to 12 minutes. Now you'll let it cool just a little bit and add your fresh basil or parsley on top. Even though you have to make the meatballs from scratch, it's actually pretty simple, and this is an absolutely delicious recipe. Definitely will be making this again. Enjoy!